Okay, let's go ahead and get into tags. Okay, so second menu down here. And so, okay, what would be reasons why we would want to use tags? Okay, so obviously I provide software solutions and trainings around that and strategies and whatnot. So if I'm looking at the software itself, I have customers who might, most pay monthly subscriptions. Some opportunities come about where we have lifetime, so it's a one-time cost for certain software solutions, and then we have your annual, so monthly, I guess annual, and then lifetime. And so, depending on the type of offers or type of products or the type of services that certain clientele might have, this would be a very easy way visually for you to keep track of that as you're bringing more people into this funnel, which basically treating your messenger account as a funnel. As you feeding more people into it, it can get a little tricky to keep track of that again, but this will be a very visual way for you to track that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and create a tag for monthly, and as you notice, you'll notice that it pretty much look like labels at this point. Okay, so monthly, annual, and lifetime. And let's go ahead and change the colors a little bit. Boom. And do that. And well, just so you can see this, I'll tweak this to a different color, purple. Aha! We have 3 shades of purple. Here we go. So with that, then here, and I'm gonna go ahead and refresh the page. So as you'll notice here, now that we have tags up by the name, you're gonna notice a little button here that says add tags. What do you know? So I'll just go ahead and click on that, and then it says to select the tag. So depending on the tags that you create, this is where they'll populate. So I'll go ahead and put in monthly. And here is, this is also a very new feature I'll cover in another video. Webhooks is what allows us to add some more powerful automation it's automations that integrate with tools like Zapier. And as the time of this recording, we are now able to work with Integrately, which is another tool. It's cheaper than Zapier as well, and because Zapier with the webhooks, you are required to use the premium level account, but with Integrately, the premium webhook is actually included within their free account or their lowest tier account. So definitely check that out, since we now are compatible with Integrately in addition to Zapier. That'll be in another video. I'll go ahead and click add, saving, and boom, there you go. So now whenever I am in this conversation, then I can see that, hey, Michael, he's one of my monthly leads or my monthly customers with that. So that is the power of tags. And the fact is, just to kind of show you, you can add more than one tag. So you can have different kind of tags and with that. So again, now you see that you have your different labels, for your leads and different tags. So to even further break down that information and how you have things organized. Really awesome. So far we have covered how to get this installed, or how to get Genius Messenger installed, how to set up your labels, how to set up your tags. Now we're going to keep going in the next video to show you some more cool features with this too. Before we do that, if you do click on the number, so again, you see that we have different number of people in different labels here. Within the cold leads, this is where you can see all the cold leads that you have within there, and then for each one you can hop to them directly within Messenger and go ahead and resume that conversation. So you're not having to scroll again with that. So let's see, hop over to hot lead, and if I wanted to, it's like, okay, looking through here, okay, here's so and so I haven't talked to in a minute, let me go ahead and pop over and send him a message and then it's going to open up your conversation there, so you can do your follow-up, or go from there. So really cool features here. I'm telling you with that. So to kind of go through that again, send message. You can add a note from this view as well, from here. So here we go. And let's say I need to find a picture. I don't know. It could be whatever, but you have the note. Boom. You have that note there for follow-up. So whenever you go back to that lead, you have that there on that. So another thing too is, let me go back to that. You can also set up notifications, and then you can also delete them out of that list as well, then webhooks. So those are all the different features that you can see just inside of the labels view as well. So in the next video, we're going to go ahead and talk about the next feature, and that would be the G icon that is within the chat window. So stay tuned and keep moving things along.